Conditional sentences are used to express hypothetical situations and their possible outcomes. There are four main types of conditional sentences, each expressing a different level of certainty or likelihood. They are categorized based on the condition and the result. Number one, zero conditional or real conditional. This type of conditional sentence is used to express general truth or facts, where the condition and result are always true or applicable. For example, if you heat ice, it melts. The structure is if plus present simple comma present simple. If it rains, the ground gets wet. In these examples, the condition is always true and the result always happens. Number two, first conditional or future conditional. This type of conditional sentence is used to talk about future possibilities or actions that are likely to happen. For example, if it rains tomorrow, I will stay indoors. The structure is if plus present simple comma will plus base form of the verb. If she studies hard, she will pass the exam. In these examples, the condition refers to a future event and the result is a likely outcome of that event. Number three, second conditional or present on real conditional. This type of conditional sentence is used to talk about hypothetical or unreal situation in the present or future. For example, if I own the lottery, I will buy a house. The structure is if plus past simple comma would plus base form of the verb. If I were you, I would go to the doctor. In these examples, the condition is likely or impossible, winning the lottery being someone else, and the result is the hypothetical consequences. Number four, third conditional or past unreal conditional. This type of conditional sentence is used to talk about hypothetical or unreal situation in the past. For example, if she had studied harder, she would have passed the exam. The structure is if plus past perfect, comma, would have plus past participle. If I had known you were coming, I would have baked a cake. In this example, the condition is an unreal situation in the past. Not studying harder, not knowing about the visit, and the result is the hypothetical consequence of that unreal situation. Each type of conditional sentence expressing a different relationship between the condition and result, ranging from real and certain to hypothetical and unreal.